Ken. Hello, everybody. We're here at the shop, and we are
with an AFCI GFCI breaker is what it is.
okay. It's a dual combo breaker, and AFCI stands for
arc fault circuit interrupter,
right.
And
GFCI
ground fault circuit interrupter. And this one, particular one, just it's an Eaton, which is not any particular reason. It's just what I had on hand. But you ask, why is it so finicky? Why is it so sensitive? Man,
they trip all the time and just frustrate you because you lose your circuits and the lights and everything. Why are they so sensitive?
So I drilled these out. These are normally in the breaker itself.
We'll take one apart.
We're taking it apart. So anyway, I drilled them out and we got this now. So we're taking them apart right here, just like that and just like that. So all four of them are out. And you ask, why is it so sensitive?
Looking inside of a breaker.
Oh my goodness. Why is it so
is in there?
Here's where the wire goes in it right here. It goes in right here. So if you were to wire, this is where the wire goes in. And then you tighten this lug down with a screwdriver. This is where you would tighten it down in the panel. And then it senses right here. And then from there goes to Never Land breakerism.
Unbelievable.
And hello, why is it so sensitive? There it is.
Do you even know what all that is?
Of course not.
So basically there's about what, 50 components to that breaker.
Oh my goodness.
Let's take another quick little gander at this thing. There's about 50 components to that thing. And if any one of them goes bad or gets overloaded
or whatever, maybe it just isn't made right, whatever. But I mean, there's so much.
So if you have a breaker that is continually flipping and tripping, could be the breaker itself, could be the outlet that it's plugged into, could be the wall switch.
You could just, it could be all kinds of stuff. But look, let's go a step further. Let's see what's under here. How about that? Let me just take a little frustration out on it. Why don't we do that?
Wow.
There it is.
Wow, look at that.
And these four little prongs plug into it. And under here, there is another, this is the actual breaker. Inside there is the actual breaker. We need to take that apart on the next video.
Okay.
But this is the electronic side arc finder stuff.
Can you name one of those pieces?
This is plastic.
No. Name one of the pieces.
This is plastic.
Yeah.
I repeat, this is plastic.
All right, so lots of little components inside a GFCI, AFCI dual combo breaker. Any one of those goes bad, it's going to result in a tripped breaker. All right, later. The AFCI, GFCI dual breaker, this is what they look like in the panel, and they're very sensitive. They're often termed as what?
A pain in the butt.